Hello, in this video I will review the Adaptive RSI Indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is a price-matched version of the RSI indicator, meaning the vertical axis in this indicator is not like the RSI indicator, which is a number between 0 and 100, but here it has a number in the
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
price range of the chart, which is the vertical axis of the chart. We can use this indicator both for trend identification, mediation, and for buy and sell signals. When the slope of this indicator's line is upward, we are in an upward trend, and when the slope is downward, we are in a downward trend. We can also use the divergences of this indicator with the price as buy and sell signals. Now, let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The only option we have in the input is the calculation period of this indicator, which we can adjust. The higher we set this value, the smoother the chart will be, and the lower we set it, the more fluctuations we will see in the chart. Let's take a look at the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's take a look at the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.